Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from PayPal to an external wallet. The reason you want to know this is that transferring Bitcoin to an external wallet gives you greater control over your cryptocurrency. Whether you want to secure your Bitcoin in a private wallet, trade it on a different platform, or use it for payments, knowing how to transfer it is absolutely essential. This video is perfect for anyone who uses PayPal to buy Bitcoin but wants to move their funds to a personal wallet for added security or flexibility. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to send Bitcoin from your PayPal to an external wallet. So first things first is you're going to want to locate your PayPal app. Now you can pull down and type in PayPal, or you can just go ahead and find your PayPal app, whatever works for you. Now my PayPal app's right here, and whenever you'll see it loaded up, you'll see your PayPal balance. Now you're going to want to scroll over to crypto. Now once you find crypto, you're going to click on this and you're going to go down to your crypto of choice. In this case, it's going to be Bitcoin. So where you're going to click on Bitcoin. And whenever this loads up, we're going to go down and we'll notice that there is 3 buttons: buy, sell, and then this double arrow button. We are going to click on this double arrow button and it'll give you 3 options: send, receive, and convert. So we are going to click on the send button since we are trying to send this PayPal from this PayPal wallet, or send this crypto from this PayPal wallet to an external wallet. So send BTC. And this is where you would type in the address for the external wallet you're trying to send it to, or in most cases, they will give you a QR code for that wallet. And all you do is click on the QR code button and you're able to scan it and send your Bitcoin in an instant, really. And that's all there is to it when it comes to sending your Bitcoin from your PayPal wallet to an external wallet. Now that we have the tutorial out of the way, before we end off this video, here are some tips to consider. Tip number 1 is to make sure you have a verified PayPal account and have enabled cryptocurrency transfers. The second tip is to double check the external wallet address before sending it to avoid losing your Bitcoin permanently. The third tip is to be aware of network fees, which will be displayed before you confirm the transaction. The fourth and final tip is to use a reputable external wallet to ensure your funds are safe. Popular options will include hardware wallets or well-known apps like Coinbase or Trust Wallet. And with all that being said, that was the video. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like. Also, please be sure to share this video with a friend or a family member. Really just share this video with anybody. But most importantly of all, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And with that being said, I hope you guys had a wonderful day. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.